Hi dear students, so let's start with today's topic, Introduction to Computer System, Organization and Architecture, Von Neumann Architecture and Evolution of Computer Generations. So here our first topic is Introduction to Computer System. What is a computer system? As we all know, a computer system is a combination of hardware and software designed to process data and perform various tasks. It has hardware component, software component. Hardware component deals with physical components like CPU, memory, storage, input output devices, etc. Software components are the programs and operating systems that instruct the hardware on what to do. Okay, like functionality, it includes like calculations, data processing, and executes applications through a user interface. Next is organization and architecture, like how all the hardware and software components are managed together to perform any specific task. So computer organization is, it refers to the operational units and their interconnections that make up a computer system. दोनों के बीच में internal and external components of computer system के बीच में हमारा कंप्यूटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आता है जो हमारा एक कंप्यूटर सिस्टम बनाता है. कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर क्या होता है? Conceptual design and fundamental operation structure of a computer system. It includes instruction set architecture, micro architecture and system design. ये सारी चीज़ें हमारी कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर में आती है जिसके थ्रू हमारा कंप्यूटर प्रोसेस करता है. नेक्स्ट इज की कॉन्सेप्ट्स हमारे इसमें क्या आते हैं? रजिस्टर्स, दे आर द स्टोरेज लोकेशंस, ALU अर्थमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट एंड CU कंट्रोल यूनिट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आवर वॉन न्यूमैन आर्किटेक्चर. वॉन न्यूमैन आर्किटेक्चर हमारा है, it was the early days architecture, the most basic architecture which was proposed by von Neumann in 1940s. It has stored program concept, single data path, components है इसके CPU, memory and input output devices. इसके limitation थी the bottleneck problem due to shared data and instruction path leading to slower performance in some cases. Okay. नेक्स्ट है हमारा इवोल्यूशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर जनरेशंस. हमारे कंप्यूटर में 5 जनरेशंस है. फर्स्ट जनरेशन वाज फ्रॉम 1940 टू 1956. वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स, लार्ज एक्सपेंसिव मशीन्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ENIAC, UNIVAC. Next is second generation 1956 to 1963. It includes transistors, smaller, faster, more reliable. IBM 7094 is the example. Third generation is 1964 till 1971. It has integrated circuits, greater efficiency and multi-programming capabilities. For example, IBM System 360. Next is fourth generation. It's the 1971 until present, which includes microprocessors. Personal computers become widespread. For example, Intel 404, Apple II. Next is fifth generation, present and beyond. It focuses on artificial intelligence and machine learning, quantum computing and advanced parallel processing. Next is early days, which means the initial of computer generations. अर्ली टाइम में, ओल्डर टाइम्स में हमारे पास बड़े बड़े सिस्टम्स होते थे. दे वर बिगर लाइक अ रूम एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. एंड इन दैट हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर कॉस्ट इंक्रीज होता था. प्लस फॉर अ सिंगल प्रोसेस हम इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं कर सकते थे. सो what are fixed programs? They were designed to do very specific operations. A calculator is a fixed program computer. It can do basic mathematics, but it cannot be used as a word processor or a gaming console. Changing the program of a fixed program machine requires rewiring, restructuring or redesigning the machine. It could take 3 weeks to set up a program on ENIAC and get it working. These were the fixed programs. Next we have stored programs. A stored program computer is one that stores programs, instructions in electronic memory, therefore easily reprogrammable. Von Neumann is a stored program architecture, also known as Princeton architecture, introduced by John von Neumann, a Hungarian American mathematician, physicist and computer scientist, जिन्होंने हमारा एक stored program concept launch किया, which led to start of computer systems. दिस इज द बेसिक वॉन न्यूमैन आर्किटेक्चर। इसमें हमारे पास एक इनपुट डिवाइस होता है, सीपीयू होता है, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, एक कंट्रोल यूनिट होती है, अर्थमेटिक लॉजिकल यूनिट एंड रजिस्टर्स। रजिस्टर्स हमारे पास बहुत सारे टाइप के होते हैं, जो हर रजिस्टर का एक पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक काम होता है कि वो इस टाइप की स्टोरेज के लिए यूज होता है। And then we have memory unit and then output device. This is the basic von Neumann architecture. Okay, the basic concept behind the von Neumann architecture is the ability to store program instructions in memory along with data on which these instructions operate.